What I think Town Money Saver does for the communities is brings them together, and I guess if anything I've felt that I've brought local mom and pop or smaller businesses together to where we could put them into a magazine format with coupons and mail it out. And I would feel that, yeah, there's customers out there that said, you know, without Town Money Saver, they wouldn't be the company they are today or have the successes they have. So that makes me feel good inside. I do feel that we've helped customers grow and become successful because of what we do every month.
It's neat because you're also helping small businesses grow in the community. You're helping the community. I always tell people that if you live here, you want to keep the money here as much as possible. I think the Town Money Saver gives you that availability to keep money in your own community, which helps the schools and the people.
And it is also very rewarding to be able to have a vehicle to support some community events, fundraisers, entities in the community that I think are important to support. And you know, with a vehicle like Town Money Saver magazine, we can do that, and we try to as much as possible.
I've helped some struggling businesses that maybe were going to fold, some dire consequences that might have had for the community. And they've had success with me, and they've told me that because of Town Money Saver, they've actually been able to stay in business and grow their business. And I think that helps them and the community.